everyone, welcome back to our channel. I really hope you're loving our series. So on that note, we really want to restrict this videos for less than 5 minutes. So that's why I'll try to explain the concepts even more faster. And don't worry, I'll explain it the way you really try to understand it. So without any delay, let's go to the book review. Today's review is about Ikigai. I know most of you have already completed this book, but this video is for those who didn't even touch this Ikigai, because I recently read this one because everyone were talking about Ikigai. This book is ultimately, the author talks about a village called Okinawa, which is in Japan, about their lifestyle, about the food they eat and their daily exercises and the way they are mindful towards their job, because everyone works on their own Ikigai. Ikigai means nothing but the work which you love to do, which defines you. That is Ikigai. Ultimately, after reading this book, you have to go in a search for finding your Ikigai, what you love to do. And the main takeaway which I took from this book is like eating 80% of food, which will help you to digest fast and reduce any kind of health issues. And also second thing is exercising every day, every single day without skipping it. And one more thing is like mindfulness. Ultimately, if you're finding the Ikigai, your dream job which you love to do, ultimately you're gonna love the process. You're not gonna distract it the way you're distracting right now. So that's the takeaway from this book, and that was all about this review. And let's see the most important part. We are going to take you towards the different version of mandala series right from this video onwards. So let's see what is that. So today's mandala will be this one. I know this is again a digital mandala, but this is not going to be any kind of digital mandala. We are going to take printout of this digital mandala and we'll explore the process of coloring a mandala, because while coloring every single pattern of this specific mandala, you'll practice mindfulness and also patience. So without any delay, just watch this process, and if you really love it, you can also design a digital mandala and take a print of that and try to color each and every pattern. You'll really explore the process of mindfulness by coloring these mandalas. So let's see the process. So we are again back with another therapy mandala. I hope you loved it last time. So I've taken this printout of this digital copy, and yeah, just relax and enjoy the process. And if you want to do this, try to make a digital mandala like this. You can watch our digital mandala series for knowing more about digital mandala. And yeah, let's get back to this mandala and enjoy the coloring this evening. So that was all about today's video, and this is the final output of today's mandala. I hope you are loving our series. If you are watching till this end, then I hope we are adding some kind of content to this specific series. So make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Until then, this is Bindu Vaishnavi. Fill your hearts with that.